Hello friends, my name is Krishna Kumawat. I am civil engineer. I am speak in column structure in building. Now I started about the column structure of building. Please subscribe the channel and like that video, comment and share also. Building strong foundations, a guide to column structure construction. When it comes to building design, column structures play a crucial role in supporting the weight of a building and ensuring its stability. A well-constructed column can make all the difference in the overall safety and durability of a structure. In this article, we will delve into the world of column structure building, exploring the different types, materials, and construction techniques used. Types of column structures. There are several types of column structures used in building design, each serving a specific purpose. A. Load-bearing columns. These columns support the weight of the building and transfer the load to the foundation. Though non-load-bearing columns. These columns provide additional support and stability to the structure. Theme. Decorative columns. These columns add aesthetic value to the building. Materials used. Column structures can be constructed using various materials including A. Reinforced concrete, a popular choice for its strength and durability. Though Tarankan steel offers high strength-to-weight ratio and resistance to earthquakes. Theme. Tarankan masonry, suitable for low-rise buildings and decorative columns. Construction techniques. The construction of column structures involves several key steps. A. Foundation preparation. Ensuring a strong foundation is crucial for column stability. Though column layout, accurate placement of columns is vital for even weight distribution. Theme. Tarankan formwork, creating the shape and mold for the column. Char. Tarankan reinforcement, adding steel rebar for added strength. Patch. Concrete pouring, filling the formwork with concrete. Best practices. To ensure a strong and stable column structure. A. Use high-quality materials. Select materials that meet building codes and standards. Though follow design specifications, adhere to architectural and engineering plans. Theme. Regular inspections, monitor construction progress and address any issues. Common mistakes to avoid. A. Inadequate foundation. Failing to prepare a strong foundation can lead to column failure. Though poor material quality, using substandard materials can compromise column strength. Theme. Inaccurate layout, incorrect column placement can lead to uneven weight distribution. Tarankan conclusion. Column structure building is a critical aspect of construction, requiring attention to detail and adherence to best practices. By understanding the different types, materials, and construction techniques, builders can create strong and stable column structures that support the weight of a building and ensure its safety and durability. Tags. Column structure building. Building design. Construction techniques. Reinforced concrete. Steel columns. Masonry columns. Load-bearing columns. Non-load-bearing columns. Decorative columns. Foundation preparation. Column layout. Formwork. Reinforcement. Concrete pouring. Keywords. Column structure. Building construction. Architecture. Engineering. Reinforced concrete columns. Steel column construction. Masonry column building. Load-bearing column design. Non-load-bearing column installation.